Hi friends, myself Arbada. So today in this video we are going to see character map transformation in SSIS. Agenda is what is character map transformation in SSIS, how to use character map transformation in SSIS. Character map transformation in SSIS is useful to transfer input characters. If we want to change our string columns to uppercase, lowercase, Chinese, katakana, hiragana, and traditional Chinese. Okay, let's see. See, I'm having this CSV file in my local drive. I am just going to load that into this person table. Okay, so before loading, I just want to do some kind of a character map transformation based on our input data. For example, let me open that CSV file once. Let me showcase whatever there, right? So here you could see ID column, first name ID, email ID, IP address, and gender. These are all the column already present. Okay. So here, this first name you can see it's a camel case, right? So first letter having upper and from the second onwards it's a lower case, correct? So now I just want to change this first name to uppercase and the last name to lowercase. Okay. From camel case character to uppercase, I'm going to change for first name. From camel case character to lowercase, I am going to change for last name. So this is what we are going to perform. Okay. Let me open Visual Studio. Just creating new SSIS package. So to transfer data from source to destination, which task you have to use data flow task, correct? Just drag and drop data flow task and double click, define the source, which source we have to select, flat field source, correct? Because we are going to load data from the CSV file. Okay, then click create new connection manager, load the file, all files. Otherwise, you select only CSV files. I'm going to load person data. Okay, just go and check the data in the preview page. So if you see here, all are in string formats. Okay, first name, last name, email address, IP, and gender. So by defaults, so whenever we are getting data from the CSV file, the string will be non-Unicode. But in SQL Server, if you see, we are using data type as a NWebCat. So we have to convert this into string into Unicode string. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, select this each data type and select Unicode string. Unicode string, it will be like dt underscore WSTR. Click over there and select first name, convert here. Okay, we have done. Just go columns. Okay, click OK. Now what you have to do, you just drag and drop destination So what destination you have to choose? OLEDB destination because we are going to load data to the SQL Server table. So in between, I just want to transform the data before loading data to destination, correct? So you just choose character map transformation. Here, under other transformations, you can see character map transformation. You drag and drop. So I'm just going to change first name and last name, correct? So first name. So here we are having one more option in place changes. Instead of introducing new column, you can override data here itself. Okay. So I'm just using the in place changes only. What operation? Here first name we are going to perform uppercase. Click OK. And last name I'm going to change lowercase. Okay. So why I'm using this for uppercase and lowercase because we have lot of other operation as well. You could see full with, half with, katakana. So likewise, you have lot of operations, but usually we are using only the uppercase, lowercase in our data flow. So guys, if you need more details about any other operation, then please comment me. I will post video regarding that as well. But as of now, I'm just explaining this upper and lower case conversion. Okay, click OK. Now for the connection from character map to destination, double click, create new. I already created connections for SQL Server, but I am creating new because for your understanding, if you are new means it will be helpful. So just select the driver. Driver should be OLEDB driver for SQL Server. Click OK and server name. Give the server name. Select the catalog. The connection succeeded. Click OK, OK, OK. Then select the table access mode. You always use fast load to load the data very fast. So which table we are going to use? dbo.person. Okay. Now do mapping. Already mapping is showing perfectly because by identifying the name where from between source and destination the mapping happen automatically. Maybe the column name is different, then mapping won't be happen. You have to manually drag and drop the respective column from the source to target. Okay, click OK. Now save it. Just to go and check any data is present on person table or not. There is no data. Let's run. So the flatbed shows some error is there. What is the error? It's already open, right? So that is the error. Just close it. Again run it. Okay, it's completed. You could see 100 rows from source to target it loaded. Just to go and check the case conversion happened properly or not. Check it. See, it's uppercase and it's a lower case. Okay, guys, this is the way you have to play around with the character map transformation. Hope you understand well this video. So please subscribe my channel if you like it. And also please comment me or question me if you need any other clarification required on top of this. Okay, thanks. Bye.